Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls, and memory settings are one of many features. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.